Hello everyone, today I will show you how to make a color text box in Apple number sheet. Open your Apple number sheet. Now click on this text box option and see this text box already inserted and drag it into the text box and click on this text box, type your text or paste text and see this and click on this text box and press enter into this text box. Now I'll make this text box color. Drag your mouse, select your text box and click on this format option and select style option. There are custom color here. You can add red color and see this black color, this pink, this green, this one. Also you can change your field color, gradient color, this one. I'll add this one. Also you can add border color. Select your border color and increase and see this. A colorful text box already created. Yeah, this is. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comment.